In this Wix tutorial, let's take a look at how to change container box background color here on Wix. So you can have these container boxes like this guy right here, this orange yellow one, and you can change the design or background color of them. So if I want to change this to white instead of this yellow color, I would go to change design. We have a few themed boxes, but I can go to customize design. Inside of here, I can choose several different options here as far as like the fill color and opacity, and some different options when it comes to the look, like the overall style of the box. So we could pick this one, which is more of just a plain style, and we can choose the fill color here where we see that yellow. So I could pick maybe just a white color, and then I could adjust the opacity of that color if I need to allow it to be a little bit see-through. But otherwise, that's how you can change that background color. So now this box is actually white as opposed to that yellow that we just had. And that's how you can change container background color here on Wix.